Do you want to ride the horsey? What's his name?
A cowboy.
His name is Blaze.
Thank
Go ahead, get on and ride him. Okay, let's see you ride. Come on, is that the best you can ride? He's a fast horse. Remember the little boy? On the computer? Ride him. Oh, come on. Make him go fast. Giddy up, horse.
Giddy up, giddy.
Oh, jeez. Alright, I'm going to have to help him some. You ready? Come on, horsey. Giddy up. Giddy up, horsey. Giddy up, horsey. Make him go. There you go. Make him go. Okay, now watch this. Watch this. See his legs moving? Make him go this way. Make him go this way. Go up and down. There you go. Giddy up, horsey.
Giddy up, horsey. Giddy up, giddy.
Make him go fast.
Look at me.
Are you a cowboy?
Yay.
You're so funny. What's his name?
Cowboy.
You like the horsey? His name is Blaze, the talking horse.
The talking horse?
Yeah.